Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and if you are new here, welcome. Hey girl, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today we are going to be reviewing and styling a gorgeous kinky straight lace part wig. Okay, so let's get into it. Hey y'all, so your wig comes with a name card and care instructions on the back inside of a double-lined silk bag. You know, I always like to show you what the wig looks like fresh out of the bag before I co-wash. So this is what it's giving. This is the Kinky Straight Texture 16-inch, 150% density, 1.5 by 4 inch lace part wig. Okay, it has combs on the side, comb in the back, adjustable straps, and an elastic band. This texture is giving everything it supposed to have gave. Okay, I'm obsessed. So I just wanted to show you what it looks like before I co-wash. The next clip, you're gonna see me styling and how the wig looks after it's been co-washed.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else does me like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat, leave no one else.
All right y'all, so this is the final look. It is so like humid and muggy in this apartment, so I feel like my bumps are already bumped out, but I'm gonna re-bump it before I leave out. But this is what we have. This is the final result. Let me just tell you, I am obsessed. Okay, do you hear what I'm saying to you? I am obsessed with this wig, the texture, the length. I love it. I've been loving like just not like so long wigs when it comes to like human wigs for an everyday basis, but like yo, this texture is beautiful. As you saw, I showed you like what it looks like when it's fresh out the pack, what it looks like after it's washed and air dried, and what it looks like when it has a press to it. So like this wig is everything. I will say though, like I like it like this, right? It's real cute like this, but I wish that I wouldn't have pressed it out so much and left a little bit more of the kink. But like this texture is beautiful, okay? Unmatched. I love it. It looks so good, so natural, and especially the way I have it, I opted to leave out a little bit of my hairline just so if I want to like put the wig like this, it looks like it's my own hair. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like that's just a little touch that you could do. This wig can be worn to the side, the left or the right. It is a middle part lace part wig, but you can shift it if you want to. So it's very versatile despite it being just a 1.5 by 4 inch closure wig. It could give you so many things, okay? As I showed you to the side, it works. I didn't really like fix the part for real, when I showed you what it looks like to the side, because I had no intention on wearing it to the side today, so I didn't want to like do too much. But you could literally put it to the left, to the right, to the middle. I will say though, unfortunately, this wig is not big head friendly. It's like medium size head friendly. Like if you have a head that's bigger than a regular circumference, which is the average circumference head is 23 inches. So if your head is like a little bigger than that, then you could rock with this. But if you have like a bigger size head, then you probably won't be able to rock out with this, because the elastic band is not adjustable. So I mean, you could, if you really was like really wanted to snag the wig, you could like cut the elastic band and then re-sew it together so that it fits your head if you feel like doing all that. But just to like save yourself some time, if you have a bigger size head, this wig is probably not going to be for you. Also, the layers that I cut in this wig, I did cut layers, but I cut them a little bit longer. Like they aren't like super pronounced, because I do want to still be able to wear this wig in many different ways, like to the side. So I didn't want to like cut it and layer it like specifically for the middle and have it be sharp and pronounced, and then it's like I can't really rock it any other way, you know what I'm saying? So I cut the layers in it very subtly, and then also very like natural, so it's like I can still wear it to the side if I want to. The part on this wig is a little bit tight. However, I didn't really feel the need to go in and pluck it. I just added some powder to the part. But if you like a super natural density type of a part, you can go in and just pluck a couple of the hairs out, because it's not like as natural as I would love it to be, but it's not too bad. Like, you know what I'm saying? Especially, like I said, I'm trying to make this look like this is my real hair, like I'm trying to catfish people. So I don't want the part to be like super wide. So that's why I just added powder. And I feel like for me in person, it literally looks like I just came from the doobie shop. However, my edges are already starting to puff up like crazy, because like I said, for whatever reason, it's humid and hot in here. I mean, I know what the reason is. I'm sitting right here by the air conditioner, and I can't have it on blowing and being all loud and disrupting us while I'm filming. But my edges have already started to act up. You know what I'm saying? But it's all good. In the natural state of this wig without a press, my edges puffing up wouldn't be an issue, because it looks kinkier in its like natural state. So like even if it was puffing up and it was in its natural state, it would still look good. But because I pressed it out and my edges don't respect me, it's just like, you know, it's a little noticeable, but not too much. Not too much, okay? But yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. I'm going to go. I don't know if you can tell, I'm kind of in a hurry. I'm about to go out of town, and I got other content to film before I leave, so I really need to hurry up. But if you're interested in the wig, I will leave a link to it down in the description box for you to check it out. As always, you know I need you to drop down in the comments and let me know what you think of the video and of the wig, and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you are not subscribed, and I will catch you in the next one. Enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings.